Oh, holding hand, got it.
Okay, so I just need you to stick your tongue out as far as you can. That's perfect.
Oh wait, I don't want to be in it mirror.
Perfect. Stick it out for me. You know it's tough because it don't, can you flatten it? I'm sorry.
You're good, you're good. You're good. Squeeze, just squeeze hand.
Don't worry, I'll let you know.
Come on, I had 3 chairs thrown at me today at work. You can squeeze harder.
Oh, okay. And actually, you should be squeezing her hand. But stick it out for me. Take a deep breath. Let it out. Worst is over. I just need you to keep your tongue out for me, okay? You're doing great. You might drool a little bit, and that's okay too. We're almost done. Just keep it out. Perfect. You should keep your tongue out for me. I'm just going to screw on your ball, and we're almost done.
Screw on your ball.
Okay. Then what I need you to do is lift your tongue up into your mouth, over your teeth, and swallow. Okay? Just relax. Open your mouth for me. Cool. Now over your teeth and out. There we go. I just need to tighten it for you. Out a little bit more.
Do you still need to squeeze?
Just want to make sure your ball's nice and tight on there. Stick it out a little bit more.
Dirty.
Perfect.
I love piercings. They make me laugh.
Stick it out for me. I'm sorry. I know it's an involuntary reflex. It's a muscle. Alright, up and in. There you go.
I'm sorry I drooled on you.
No, it's okay. You didn't drool on me. Just drool on yourself. Perfect. So now if you're going to show your friends, exactly. Just open your mouth like that. Don't try to stick it out because since the bar is a little bit longer, it might knock against the bottom of your teeth and then it'll
That will
just
hurt.
make it swell a little bit more. Exactly. Something you want to do.
Thank you.
This is an adventure. I'm gonna talk like
Pee-wee
Cindy
Herman.
Brady.
Cindy Brady.
Cindy Brady.
Or Elliot. Hi, Elliot.
We're out here.